Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Behind me I have a frame that I use to tuft rugs. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your cloth onto your frame before you can even begin tufting. My name is Autumn and let's get started. So I'm going to start from the top part of the frame by loosely placing my cloth on the inner edges where I have nailed wooden tack strips. These wooden tack strips have smaller nails on them that poke out, and this is what the cloth is actually gripping onto. After doing the top, I move to the sides. The cloth I use is called monk's cloth. It is a very tough cloth that's perfect for tufting. It has these yellow lines that really help in guiding you when you're cutting your cloth or placing it on the frame or when you're actually tufting. The spacing between the yellow lines is around 2 inches when it's stretched out on the frame. Once I'm done loosely placing the cloth on the frame, I start at the middle top part and start tightening the cloth. I'm going to show you really quickly where I get my monk's cloth. I go on Etsy, I just type in monk's cloth, M-O-N-K-S cloth, and the one that I mostly get is from Jan Rugs. This is the cloth. As you can see, she sells it by the yard. She even has a review of some girl that uses it for tufting as well. Halfway through my project, I did stretch it out to check if I could use the remaining piece for another project. When I begin to stretch out the cloth on the sides of the frame, I try to make sure that the yellow line is as straight as possible. I'll show you a little clip on what I mean. As you can see, I tried to follow the yellow line as tightly as possible to the actual frame, just overall making sure that all the lines are straight. Even if you have to undo the bottom a little bit to stretch it out, make sure you do that. It's really crucial that all of your lines stay pretty much straight. If you are looking for a tufting gun, I do sell them on my website, rugbabe.com, or you can check out my Instagram at rugbabe, where I sell custom rugs. So I am pretty much almost done. I just need to tighten the bottom, but while I do that, I wanted to show you what not to get when you're looking for cloth. Make sure that you do not accidentally purchase a square foot of it. As you can see, this one's $7 and it is 19 inches by 19 inches. You are going to want to find your cloth by the yard and make sure it's long enough and you don't get it in the mail and it's just a small square of monk's cloth. So I am pretty much done. My cloth is super tight on my frame and I'm just going to drag my hand across it and make sure that it's really tight and secure. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.